Breaking news. Missile launches detected from Iran, heading toward...
Imminent. All units, full alert. All stations, missile threat confirmed. Activate interceptors now. Interceptors online, sir. Tracking trajectory. Get me the president. Emergency scramble. All hands to station. Copy. Moving to the jets. Fuel lines connected. Engines spooling. Move. Move. Gear up now.
Copy. Armor and rifle.
Fosto, ready. Check your gear. Double time. Locked and loaded, Sarge. Move, move, move! Double time! Stop, you push! Up, go! Get these crates to the bird now! Forklift, steady on the approach! Watch the ramp! Secure the load! Go, go! Alright, bring it in steady! Watch the ramp! Smart! Send that there! Move it! Generators first, then comms! Crates on the ramp, watch the steer! We're wheels up! Move it! Generators first! Copy! Crates next! Watch the cable! Secure the load! Strap secure on this side. Chappie, locking it down now. Looks solid, good work. Final lock. Move it! We are wheels up in 10! Copy that! Loading the last crate now! Move it! Get that pallet secured now! Clear the way! Buggy approaching, steady on ramp! Clear path, keep coming! Copy, ramp clear! Truck approaching, clear the path! Ramp contact suspended, good deal! Vehicle halted! Attach chains now! Left side hook, tensioning! Right side secure, check tension! Intake clear. Grabbing the wrench. Copy. Blades look good. Torquing now. Steady with that one. Watch the alignment. Roger. Lug is locked. Moving to next. Good to go. Clear the area. Status is green. Running calibration.
Copy. Monitoring altitude and speed.
Temp warning. Confirm right. Systems normal. Connecting radar. Initiating test sequence. All systems green. Test complete. Air intake is clear. Check the compressor blades. Blades look good. No stress fractures. Good. Check the intake sensors. Fuel pump test initiated. Pressure holding. Hydraulic stable at 3,000. All systems nominal. Good to go. Get that packed up. We move soon. Roger that. Rucksack's next. Keep it tight. No loose ends. Soldiers, prepare boarding. Move out. Yes, sir! All right, find a seat. Bag secure, sir. Everyone strapped in? Straps tight, moving to next. Good. Ratchets locked, all secure. Confirmed, we're good to go. All personnel, sound off for manifest count. Copy. Cargo straps verified, secure for takeoff. Proceed down ramp. Wheels on ground, keep steady. Good copy, vehicle deployed. Unchain the front vehicle first. Chains are clear, ready to roll out. Refuel line connected, pumping at full rate.
Landing gear checks out. Moving to engines.
Roger, fuel transfer at 80%. All right, gather your gear. Move to your teams now. Yes, sir. First squad, form up here. Second squad to the left. Roger that,
Barracks
sir.
to the right. Move out. Armory group, follow the line.
Yes, sir. This one's mine. Roger that, Sarge. This bottom bunk's taken. Top's fine. Let's get settled. Check hydraulics. Confirm pressure. Arming sequence initiated. Clear the area. Copy. Panel secure. Connecting refuel hose now. Hose secured.
Carts in position. Hydraulics up, stay.
Pylon lock. Confirm. Steady on the lift. Aligning loud. Lock engaged. Clear to retract. Left side locked. Alignment confirmed. Good to go. Hoist up. Steady now. Roger. Guiding it in. Latch engaged. Secure it.
Aligning the main power connector.
Ready. Go for insertion.
Locked. Check the data lines.
Inserting safety pin. Pin secure. Flag is visible. Check these lugs for any stress fractures. They look solid. I'll test the release spring tension. All right, let's get this jet armed. Move to the panel. Copy that. Wrench and tools ready. Cart's right behind you. Ailerons clear, no play. Flaps are secure, wing structures look good. Confirmed, airframe is good to go. Check the power distribution board. Voltages are stable, no anomalies. Good, proceed to comms array.
Let's check this blade.
Okay, lights on it.
No cracks. It's clear.